How's it going, everyone? It is Unknown Coder, and I am back with another episode of building the website. So in today's episode, we're just going to kind of talk about what we're doing, where I'm at in life. Not much has changed because this is literally like less than a week since I recorded the last episode. And yeah, so I guess let's hop right into it. I haven't said this, I don't think, for like an episode or two, but just so you guys know, this is not a tutorial. This is just me working through building a website, pretty much from scratch. I'm not really using any pre-built libraries or anything. So you see me struggle a lot. I guess I do use some libraries, but not like major components. But anyway, I guess let's just talk about what's going on. So I've been playing a lot of Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War. I got the game right after my finals. I was going to talk about this last episode, but it completely slipped my mind. So I've been playing that game quite a bit, and for anyone who cares, I've been going for Dark Matter. I actually got the launchers done already, and that was like the worst pain in the world. And I also got the launcher done as well. I thought about making a video about this like separately, but I don't think anyone will watch it, so it doesn't really matter. I really want to make like a giant video and like post on Reddit and like Twitter and stuff, and ask people like what their ideal Call of Duty would be, and mix in my opinion and make like a giant video about what would be the perfect Call of Duty, and that'd be like crowdsourced and stuff, but I know no one would watch it, and I'd end up putting probably hundreds of hours into the video just for it to get nowhere. So it makes me wary of doing that. But anyways, I also have my interview tomorrow on the 8th. I'm recording this on the 7th. I'm hoping to upload this on the 8th, but I'm not sure. It's like sometime in the early afternoon. So fingers crossed that this is a one. I can get a job, I can get money. I'm also hopefully starting a little woodworking business as well. I think I talked about that as well. So between this website, hopefully this gets funding. I think that I might be able to get funding to do these computers as long as stock evens back out. Between this website, woodworking, and hopefully this job I'm interviewing for, fingers crossed, I can get some money rolling in, upgrade my computer, start streaming. Because I cannot stream Call of Duty Cold War on this computer while I play it. It's just not good enough. But anyway, let's hop right into what we actually work on today. So I work on a few main things. So the first thing is actually the About Us page that we set up yesterday or the other day. We actually start working. So what I try to do is actually make section components, and I get through building them, and then I realize that the way that I want it set up, it's not really going to work. But now that I think about it, I could revert back to the section components. I just need to do like an extra prop to flip where the image is. So pretty much what I was trying to do is I wanted to have an image on the left side, image on the right side, image on the left side, and then have all the placeholder text, stuff like that. So of course this placeholder text is going to be replaced if we actually make this website go live. My friend's dad is actually kind of interested in like starting this business with us or with me, because the other day I saw my friend I guess pick out computer parts, and he asked me like how we could do this as a business and whatnot, and his dad was interested after I was helping him. So yeah, we actually had a meeting and stuff. So anyway, so I end up reverting and just making the About Us page just in one component instead of splitting it up. And I ended up struggling for quite a while trying to get the stupid text to center how I wanted it. I didn't want the main heading text to be in the middle, but I wanted the other text, the paragraph text, to be perfectly in the center. So I wanted the paragraph or the heading text up in the top middle. Then I wanted the paragraph text to actually be like completely centered in the page, so centered left to right and centered up and down in the remaining place. But I think I ended up getting that done with making a new div. So after that, we worked on the Nav Bar some more. So we had issues with smooth scroll, and I could not figure out what the deal was with smooth scroll. So what smooth scroll does is whenever you click like the Nav Bar link, it scrolls down to the bottom, and that's how our entire like homepage, or quote unquote homepage, it's not really a homepage, there's multiple pages, but I'm just calling it the homepage because it has the slider and all that stuff. So we were having issues where we couldn't get the navigation bar to slide to the About Us page. So I struggled with that for a while, and you actually get to see me like debugging. I tried to do some functions, stuff like that, to figure out, because you're supposed to use an ID. And in the end, I figured out that it was just because I didn't have a class name equal to products. And we also had issues with the nav bar where for whatever reason in products it was scrolling down and hovering over the text, and that is also have to do with like a class name. So I ended up figuring out both of those issues, which is great. So yeah, the nav bar is now working how it actually is supposed to work. I may change the product pages again. I'm not sure. It's just tough. I don't know exactly how I want to look, to be honest. I just want to look nice. So I might work on that again. I've been doing research on a bunch of different companies and how they have their websites laid out, because I want to look as professional as possible. I don't want to look amateur or anything, because if we launch this business, I want to be serious, because I just don't want to half-ass it, you know. So I think pretty much that's it. That's all that we work on in this video. Pretty much we just have like the contact slash footer left, and we're pretty much going to be done with the homepage outside of any tweaks. So then we can move on to like the profile page. Well, actually next we're probably going to do the product page, where you click on the product card and it's going to take you to the link that just shows like, oh, you can add this to your cart, this is what's going on. So I need to lay out or design the product page. I pretty much designed all the websites on paper first, that way I know kind of how I want to lay out. That way I don't go into it blindly, and I figured out that's helping me out quite a bit with getting this stuff done. I also need to go back onto GitHub, and I need to figure out where I'm at. I haven't been following my GitHub project or my GitHub to-do list, so I need to go back through GitHub and clean that up, and hopefully get back on track doing that, because that really helps me stay on track. So that's going to be pretty much it for this episode. After I'm done recording, I'm probably going to go play some more Call of Duty. Also have some thank you notes to write because of graduation gifts and such. But anyway, guys, I'll keep you guys updated as we go along. We'll be moving in 12 days, actually. That's crazy. So less than 2 weeks we're moving. I'm going to try to at least record some more episodes. I'm going to be leaving my setup again, like probably in the middle of this week. So fingers crossed I can get stuff recorded and ready to upload before we do all this craziness. And hopefully we can get internet quickly so that I can continue uploading whenever we get into the new house. But anyway, guys, this has been Ethan, or Unknown Coder. If you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you guys are enjoying the videos. And have a great day, everybody. Peace out.
So much to the poltergeist, trying to hold on to love, but it's frosting nice time. Much but a light from a falling sky, apply to the forces above us like, keep holding on to this present time, inspired by the ones that were left behind us. We fell for the light of a foreign sky, applying to the forces above this life. So much to the poltergeist, trying to hold on to love, but it's frosting nice time. Much but a light from a falling sky, apply to the forces above us like, keep holding on to this present time, inspired by the ones that were left behind us. We fell for the light of a foreign sky, applying to the forces above this life. So much to the poltergeist, trying to hold on to love, but it's frosting nice time. So much but a light from a falling sky, apply to the forces above us like, keep holding on to this present time, inspired by the ones that were left behind us. We fell for the light of a foreign sky, apply rise above this life.